On the other side, former President Donald Trump is waiting for an important ruling from the Supreme Court. The justices are deciding a challenge to Trump's eligibility for the Colorado ballot and whether his actions on January 6th could disqualify him. Jan Crawford covered yesterday's historic arguments.
In a divisive case that could decide the election, the justices seem to find rare common ground that states can't use an obscure constitutional provision to kick Donald Trump off the ballot. Liberal Justice Elena Kagan got right to the point.
I think that the question that you have to confront is why a single state should decide who gets to be president of the United States.
Conservative Amy Coney Barrett agreed.
Just doesn't seem like a state call.
The Colorado Supreme Court narrowly ruled in December that Trump should be removed from the state's Republican primary ballot because he engaged in insurrection on January 6 and was disqualified from the presidency under the Constitution's 14th Amendment. Colorado's Secretary of State, Jenna Griswold.
Just like we wouldn't put a 17-year-old on our ballot for president because they're ineligible or someone who's not a natural-born citizen, we also don't put oath-breaking insurrectionists on our ballots.
But Chief Justice John Roberts warned of the potential impact of the Colorado decision and how both sides could use it to punish the other.
I would expect that a goodly number of states will say whoever the Democratic candidate is, you're off the ballot, and others, for the Republican candidate, you're off the ballot. And it'll come down to just a handful of states that are going to decide the presidential election. That's a pretty daunting consequence.
Now, Trump didn't attend yesterday's hearing, but he said afterward that he thought the arguments were strong and that he believed in the Supreme Court. As for timing, the court fast-tracked this case so we could get a decision within weeks. Gayle?
We are all waiting for this one. Thank you very much, Jan.